Ooh, here's the next one. Look at that, look at that. Look at that golf sim. Figure I'd make a quick little video, show you what big boy golf sims look like. Another mechanical room, because here is our About Golf system. We upgraded the preamp because we needed that premium sound. And you know I'm a fan of induction. And look at these towers. Beautiful in-wall touchscreen. We inlaid it in the wall, made it nice and easy. And that's how you turn the golf sim on and off. We actually gave hard buttons to make it easy to drive the entire room. You've seen that we're actually adding that to the latest one. The customer actually got into it, so now we're doing that. Panasonic, About Golf technology, left and right cameras. And again, these amazing on-wall towers. Big old screen. Probably one of the largest golf simulators we put together. And as you can see, these towers are monster big. There's 1, 2, 3. Literally the size of us, these towers, they're huge. And what we did is, because they went through a major renovation here in the home, and as you probably see, the walls got this cool little Venetian plaster. What we did to make it extra awesome, we matched the fabrics. These were originally black. We matched these with the wall, made it all blend in, put the ceiling, the catch, everything is in. Put this all back together because we had to redo the floors. We had to take down the golf sim, put it back. And the beauty about working with amazing builders, Sinclair Homes, working with them for a while, we do double judge with these guys. We're going in and out. They were able to help us do the install. We help each other. We were able to get done. And now look at that. That is a huge screen. It's working. Family's happy. More cool stuff. Catch you at the next one.